Welcome to Hope Screen. If you want to switch back to personal account, just simply open up the Instagram application into your device, and after that just simply go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here you should be able to see three lines to the top right. If you don't, just simply go to home and go to your profile again, and you should be able to see here the three lines to the top right. Now just simply scroll down a little bit, and you should be able to see here creator tools and controls. And now from here just simply scroll down and just simply go ahead and tap in switch account type, and from here you will have an option to switch to personal account, and from there a prompt will show up or a pop-up, and just simply tap in switch to personal account. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, just simply comment down below and subscribe. See ya.